Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Campstove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Stay out longer with the all-metal Zippo hand warmer engineered to last you a lifetime. It comes complete with a soft warming bag and plastic filling cup. The filling cup has fill marks to ensure the correct amount of fluid is used. Fill with Zippo premium lighter fluid to provide up to 12 hours of continuous heat that's virtually odorless. The lighter fluid soaks the cotton, which provides fumes for the catalytic burner, creating flame-free heat. The warming bag regulates heat and provides a soft, durable carrying case. And each hand warmer comes with a 2-year guarantee. Next time, take along our reusable pocket-sized furnace, the Zippo hand warmer.
The Survivor Filter Pro X. The Pro X is a simple, automated device that produces fast filtered water at the push of a button. It's the world's first portable electric water filter. No manual effort is required to get clean water from any lake, river, stream, or tap. It connects through a standard USB to work with multiple power options, from electrical outlets to portable chargers, and as a backup, it can operate using 2 AA batteries. It can even operate from the optional solar power bank, so you can leave your external power sources behind. With the Pro X, there's no energy wasted to make clean water. And since the power system stays outside the device, the Pro X stays lightweight, water resistant, and environment safe. But what's most important is its filtration. We've incorporated the same proven technology used in the Survivor Filter Pro. This 3-stage system is unmatched by any portable filter on the market. This allows the Pro X to remove 99% of tested virus, staph, and bacteria, as well as reduce heavy metals to a level that surpasses EPA standards for portable water filtration devices. It also helps remove odors and improve the taste of your water. We also designed the Pro X to be easy to clean, allowing you to get up to 100,000 liters of clean water before the ultra filters need replacing. The Pro X sets up quickly, and with automatic filtration, you can actually let it run while you relax. It's never been easier to have clean water in any environment.
Here to introduce ETQ's newest NI2000i 2000 watt portable inverter generator. This unit has enlarged handles and a lightweight design for easy transportation. And the simple design lets you get up and running in no time. Whether it's camping, powering your RV, charging your car's battery, or as an emergency backup power, this generator will be suitable for all outdoor activities. You can even link up 2 units to generate more power for high energy demands. The NI2000i generator can provide stable voltage to charge electronics such as your phone or laptop. An overload alarm and low fuel alarm will keep you up to date on the engine status, and a DC circuit breaker automatically shuts off the battery charging circuit when overloaded, ensuring your safety. The generator also features a smart eco mode that reduces the electrical load, which helps to save fuel and extend the engine life. The NI2000i portable generator meets the standards of the EPA and California Air Resources Board, offering you quiet, portable power at a high quality.
As Earthpack's flagship product, our original bag comes in a variety of sizes from 10 liter to 55 liter. All sizes are great for travel and fit the carry-on allowance for most airlines. The 10 and 20 liter sizes contain a single adjustable shoulder strap that can be worn across the chest or over the shoulder, convenient for those active in open water activities and sports. These sizes are perfect for day trips or carrying your beach essentials. Our 30 to 55 liter sizes can carry a lot more gear and feature padded shoulder straps and a chest strap designed to distribute large loads evenly. A waist belt is also featured on our largest size, the 55 liter. The original dry bag series is constructed with welded, leak-proof seams and 500D PVC material, making it entirely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. The roll top closure provides leak-proof and airtight protection, stopping all elements from damaging your belongings. Plus, the D-rings allow you to tie down your bag to the side of a raft, boat, or kayak. Our minimalistic design makes this dry bag perfect for any adventure. Pack up and go with our original series dry bags.
Extremely packable and darn tough, the Expedition will make you rethink the way you carry water. At 8 liters, the Expedition is perfect for car camping or water for your base camp. The wide-mouth 63mm screw cap makes it easy to fill, pour, and is backcountry water filter compatible. Plus, it features our plug-and-play system, so you can insert the included dispensing tap or hydration tube for added versatility. It's easy to carry and hang with a flexible webbing handle. There are 2 strips of low-profile daisy chain for lash points. Designed with dual baffles for stability and freestanding when full. And the external capacity gauge allows you to track your hydration intake or measure out the contents. Made of ultra-durable, abrasion-resistant, waterproof nylon TPU film laminate, so you can throw it anywhere and then just wipe it clean. It features RF welded seams for superior durability and elasticity. It's 100% BPA and PVC free and backed by our Beyond guarantee. When empty, simply flatten, roll, wrap with the tether, and secure to the cap with the dust guard insert. So whether you're headed out on a road trip cross-country or spending weeks on the trail, the Expedition offers hydration for the duration.